I'm watching these videos, the police videos, the ones where they showed the body cams of the cops doing their job, and you get to see it from their perspective. Then I see cops who mute their camera, so no audio is recorded at all. The muting of audio on body cams. That shouldn't be allowed to happen. What should happen is you press the button, it marks the video in a specific location so that later on it can be reviewed after the fact back at the station. How can you have accountability, full transparent accountability, when you don't have the full video and audio from every body cam? There should always be full body cam footage, video and audio stored someplace. I used to say I support cops. Now I say I support honest cops.
This year.